Most people get this wrong when trying to redeem Amazon gift cards on Giraffe. They think it's instant and always works the same way for everyone. But here's the truth no one tells you. The process is simple, but small mistakes can delay or block your reward. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to redeem an Amazon gift card on Giraffe in 2026, what steps you need to follow, what common errors to avoid, and how to make sure your reward actually arrives. Let's get straight into it. First, you need enough balance in your Giraffe account. This is the most important step. You earn coins by playing games inside the app. Once you reach the minimum redemption threshold, you can request a reward. But here's the problem. Many users try to redeem too early or without checking eligibility, and then wonder why nothing works. Now here's how the redemption process actually works. Inside the Giraffe app, go to the Rewards or Redeem section. You will see different payout options, including Amazon gift cards, if they are available in your region. Tap on Amazon gift card and select the amount you want to redeem based on your available balance. At this point, the app may ask you to verify your account or confirm your email. This is normal. Think of it like a security check. Users like Alex often skip reading these steps and then get confused when their reward is pending. Here's where it gets interesting. Processing time is not always instant. Some gift cards arrive within minutes, while others can take a few hours or even longer depending on demand and verification status. So if you don't see it immediately, it doesn't always mean something is wrong. Now let's talk about mistakes that cause problems. One big mistake is using multiple accounts. Another is changing devices too often during redemption. These actions can trigger security checks and delay your payout. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to avoid 90% of redemption issues. It comes down to consistency. Always use the same account, same email, and complete tasks normally before redeeming. After you confirm your Amazon gift card request, check your email inbox or the rewards section inside Giraffe. The code will usually appear there once it is processed. Then you can simply copy the code and apply it to your Amazon account balance. So, to wrap it up, the Giraffe Amazon gift card redemption process in 2026 is straightforward. Earn enough coins, go to the Redeem section, select Amazon gift card, confirm your details, and wait for processing. The key is patience and using your account correctly. If you follow these steps properly, you avoid delays and make the whole process smooth. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand how to redeem your gift card, hit like, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear app earning guides.